You know, I like nature. It's because there's so many reminders in nature of how to keep things simple sometimes. And we all just need to bring it back to the basics on occasion. You know, in sports, they call that your fundamentals. I've seen lots of teams that were better with their fundamentals beat teams that had players that had pure skills, talent, but sometimes going back to those fundamentals, those basics, is what helps you excel and achieve your goals and success. So as I'm walking through here today, I was reminded that nature is always going to find a way. It doesn't stop. It's going to find a way to keep growing. You know, when a tree falls over, that tree might die, but the one that's supporting it is going to be like, hey, all this weight wasn't here before, but I'm going to keep growing. These leaves are going to keep reaching out. Roots are going to keep finding ways through the concrete to grow. Water is going to find a way around to flow. So sometimes when things get in your way, you got to find ways to get through those barriers. Find a workaround plan. Develop it. Just think back to nature. Think back to those basics. Keep pushing. Keep striving. Stay motivated. Be encouraged. Nothing is without challenges. But when challenges present themselves, you must rise to the occasion. Find that path to move forward. Marinate on that, meditate on that. Sila. Health is wealth.